Hello everyone, welcome to GS Academy. In this video, we are going to study a few questions related to proportion. A statement of equality of two ratios is called proportion. Now let's see one example. A is to B and C is to D. These two ratios are said to be equal, then A, B, C and D are in proportion. Now let's see some terms related to proportion. The first and the fourth terms are called as the extremes. That means A and D are the first and fourth terms which are called as extremes. The second and the third terms are known as the mean. That means B and C are the means. So therefore product of means is equals to product of extremes. That means B into C will always be equals to A into D. If A is to B is as C is to D, then D is called the fourth proportional to A, B and C. This symbol is known as is as. If A is to B is equals to B is to C, then we say that A, B, C are in continued proportion. If you just observe these two ratios, B is repeating. That is why these ratios are known as continued proportion. C will be the third proportional to A and B. B is the mean proportional between A and C, that is B square is equals to AC. Now let's see a few examples. Check whether the following numbers are in proportion or not. So the first question is 30, 40, 45 and 60. We have to see whether these numbers are in proportion or not. So first we will take these two ratios and these two ratios. So this will be 30 is to 40, that is equals to 30 upon 40. So 0 0 cut. Our answer will be 3 upon 4. Now let's see the second ratio, that is 45 upon 60. So 15 3s and 15 4s. So that means 3 upon 4. So both the answers are equal, that is we can say that these numbers 30, 40, 45 and 60 are in proportion. Let's see the second example. Now if you observe the second example, it is in the fraction form. So we will take these two ratios and these two ratios. So this will become 1 is to 5 is to 1 upon 8. So let's solve this. This will become 1 upon 5 the whole upon 1 upon 8. Now whenever you shift the fraction form here, it reciprocates. So this will be 1 upon 5 into 8 upon 1. So our answer will be 8 upon 5. Now let's see the second ratio. 1 upon 4 is to 1 upon 10, which is equals to 1 upon 4 the whole upon 1 upon 10. That is equals to 1 upon 4 will remain as it is. 1 upon 10 will become 10 upon 1. That is equals to 10 upon 4. So while reducing, this will become 5 by 2. Now if you just check, the first ratio's value is 8 upon 5 and the second ratio's value is 5 upon 2. So that means these numbers are not proportion. Now let's see the next example. So we will take these two ratios and these two ratios. But if you observe the second number, it is in the mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. So this will be 2 is to, improper fraction of 2, 1 by 2 will be 5 by 2. That means 2 the whole upon 5 upon 2. So 2 will be 2 by 1. And when we shift this 5 by 2 over here, it becomes 2 upon 5. So our answer will be 4 upon 5. Now let's see the second example. That is 3 is to, and the improper fraction for 3, 1 by 2 will be 3 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So this will be 7 upon 2. That means 3 the whole upon 7 upon 2. So this will be 3 upon 1 into 7 upon 2, while shifting becomes 2 upon 7. So this is 6 upon 7. Now if you observe the ratios, first is 4 is to 5 and next is 6 is to 7, which is not equal. So third question is also not proportion. I hope this concept is clear. Thank you.